Okay, so I'm doing a brand new astral travel experiment tonight, and as you can see, I already have the dial set on my radionics machine. And what I did was I created two different sigils. Now, this one is to astral project to the Orion Nebula. Now, when finding a rate, because this machine does not have a stick pad to find a rate with, what I do is I come up here onto this dry erase board and I just rub it like that, like a stick pad, while turning the dials. And whenever my finger sticks, I'll know that I have my rate. So what I did was what I'm going to call a Stargate rate. Now my rate is 35, 44, and 12. So I also took those numbers, 35, 44, and 12, and I created a secondary sigil. So this will basically serve as basically kind of like if you ever watch the TV show Stargate, it'll serve kind of like a chevron. Now, to add on to the power that's being what's the word I'm looking for? Being emitted by that, I also took those numbers and I created a frequency out of them. 35, 44, 12. So now that's going to come up here. And of course, it's going to power my machine, which has my icosahedron. Now here's the thing. Now, metaphysically speaking, the Orion Nebula corresponds with water. Ironically, the icosahedron also corresponds to the water. So up on top here, I have a crystal set up here with a blue light, because blue, of course, corresponds with water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sigil that basically has the Stargate rate, put it down there like that, and then move that out of the way real quick, put the sigil here, put that on top of the sigil, and the crystal on top of that. So I've got my Stargate rate, or chevron, tagged into my frequency generator, which is powering this, and which is also powering this. And then I'm going to take my other sigil to astral project to the Orion Nebula. I'm going to put it in the center here. And then I'm going to take a stone that also has a water correspondence. I'm sure I don't need to tell you what stone that is. I'm pretty sure you probably already know. And I'm going to place it on the middle here. And then tonight I'm going to go to sleep and see if I can astral project to the Orion Nebula.